Hi guys, my name is Krutika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am coming back after a really long time. As you all know that festive season is going on and it's Navratri. So in this video, I am going to show you this look which I have created for Navratri. So it is a very simple and quick look. So yeah, let's start with it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go and subscribe to the channel right now and hit the bell icon for all the latest updates. So let's get into the video. this video, do not forget to give a big thumbs up, share this video, and do subscribe to the channel. Do let me know in the comment box below if you like this makeup look, and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for all the latest updates. And go and check out my other channel as well. I'll mention the link in the description box. We are doing 9 videos for each day of Navratri, so please go and check out my dance channel as well. So yeah, I'll be back soon. Bye.